What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So there's a misconception out there that the Galaxy Z Fold 2 cameras are okay, not the best. Well, I received a big update over 1 gig that's supposed to tweak the Galaxy Z Fold cameras and make them better. So let's go ahead and put them to the test. I got the Galaxy S21 Ultra, one of my favorite cameras. Let's do a comparison video between the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. I make 2 dedicated videos, but this video right here is all about the daytime. So let's go down and see which one is going to be King Supreme. So as y'all guys know, and with all my videos, I clean the camera lens, so it won't be no excuses. All right, so since I got the camera lens clean on both devices, let's go it on and see which one is King Supreme. That's what I'm talking about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And one of the reasons why I'm making this video is because the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has got the new update, and it's supposed to fix some of the cameras, supposed to make the cameras better and everything in between. So let's go to put these 2 titans to the test and see which one is King Supreme. So looking at this, I'm looking at the viewfinder on both devices, and I'm gonna tell you, they looking really good. Not bad. A lot of wind blowing. That's okay. We got optical image stabilization going on. Let me go on the ground. Let's get to this plan here and let's see what's going on. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. Look at the color representation on both devices. Look at the focus. And one of the things that I want y'all guys to pay attention to here is that since the wind is blowing and the flowers kind of moving around, let's see how the focusing is with this. Let's see the focusing. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. All right. There it is. Beautiful colors. Look at that sky. Nice and blue. You be the judge for yourself. We're looking at both of them. Z Fold 2, man, I'm going to tell you, I'm impressed with the cameras. I never was a person that said the cameras were subpar. I said the cameras was really good. And I stand by my word. I believe the Galaxy Z Fold 2 cameras are good. And I believe that.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now, I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. And what I want to do in this video is to showcase the new updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 compared to the big boy of the block, which is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, as you can see, I'm looking at both viewfinders, and I'm going to tell you the Galaxy S21 Ultra dynamic range, the background looks a lot better in my opinion, but you be the judge for yourself. And we're looking at this. I think both devices is extraordinary clear. Both of them look really good. See how that light kind of influence stuff, right? See the light? All right, and I'm gonna walk. Both of them look really good. The background look nice and blue. It's early in the morning, so I do have some blue skies, and everything looks good. Everything looks good. This is Dr. Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Galaxy Z Fold 2, still one of my favorite phones. Galaxy S21 Ultra, groundbreaking device. I love it. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dantana.